Sharon Danley here with 2-minute tips for healthy beauty and confident aging. This week it's about how to easily camouflage those thinning temples. Hot, humid weather when hair is down, time to put it up. That feels better, except, uh-oh, the thinning temples. What to do, what to do. But Mama has a plan. A simple eyeshadow with a detailed brush. And of course, there's always your clean finger. A little white eyeshadow is the simplest solution there is. Just use your finger and pack it on in the areas that you need it. Now, if you have a darker gray hair, then you would use an eyeshadow according to the color. If you're salt and pepper, again, what is the most predominant color? And you can easily mix. And of course, I like to go right down the hairline because I think it adds just a little bit more weight. I used to do this with all the men that sat in my chair when I was working film and television and just outlined their hairline. It's amazing the difference that it makes for all of us, no matter what age we're at. Okay, now for something different. Adding a little dark gray eyeshadow with a flat-edged angled brush to create some streaks or an illusion of a low light, or just to make the hair look as if it's a little bit more salt and pepper than it actually is. So many options to choose from, whether you want a little bit more salt and pepper look or just stick with the color you have or whatever. Remember this? Now with a little bit of eyeshadow, a few minutes later, and look at the difference. The hair looks fuller. Fast, easy, and oh so chic. See you next time.